Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're looking at the deals, power tool deals. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We're walking here at Lowe's. I gotta say, this Lowe's is pretty much not to get all the best deals, the best inventory. As you guys see, this Lowe's does not have any Ego yet. So usually they have, if something's up, you know, this Lowe's gonna be the last one to get it. Some reason on this side of town, we don't really get much here until it's, you know, a few months or a few weeks later after the deals. But we do have some clearance items, some great deals on some power tools, DeWalt drills, impact drivers. As you guys see, price of the gas mowers is going down really cheap. Now they got that on sale, the Cobalt 80 volts for $497, and I believe it's the tool only for $414. But this one's a great deal. Here's the Greenworks 424 with the battery. That's the new one, self-propelled, 60 minutes runtime. And then you got this one, I believe it's a regular mower, $259, which is a great deal if you're in a budget. Definitely $259 will get you mowing. $148 for the 80 volts brushless blower. And then here, this one's the 24 volt, $118. So it's definitely a nice little deal there. $169 for the Greenworks. Really nice. So it just depends on which platform. That's the Craftsman. It just depends on which platform you're on and if they have any sales or not. You got $129 for the string trimmer, 80 volt Cobalt. You got some gloves here, $14.98. Really nice mechanics gloves. And you got some more. What is this? The Crescent, $12. And yeah, you still got the buy one get one free from DeWalt. You buy any of those tools and you get big battery for free. And I guess you do have to grab one of these papers and take it up there. Yeah, they had a lot of clearance. It seems like they're clearancing a lot of small stuff, like, you know, household like fixtures and stuff like that. They got this big DeWalt section here. As you guys see, this, you got the kits right there for $179. You got the impact driver or the drill driver. That's $29 for the 82 piece. 110 piece for $34.98. Then you got this one for $13, the 45 piece. 32 piece for $24.98. And then you got the 45 piece for $34. Yeah, definitely the ones to look at are the yellow tags. The white tags are kind of like the regular price. So $179 for that. I believe it's a drill with 2 batteries. That's the XR, made in the USA. $19 for the 21 piece drill bit set. $12 for the 14 piece. So you see the difference pricing. Some of these are better. Some of these are just a one time, not a one time, but you know, just a lighter. That's a nice vacuum there at the bottom, $129. It seems like that's the price for it. $249 for the compressor. It's on clearance. $29 there for the 26 piece. And then you got $15.98 for those bits. $199 for drill driver, impact driver. Yeah, you buy one of those tools and you get one for free. So you buy one of those kits, even the $199 kit. That's a great deal there if you're getting an extra tool for free. And that 4 tool or 3 tool, whatever you want to call it, for $299, that's a great deal too. Most of these tools are brushless, or pretty much all of them are brushless. As you guys see, that's the $199 kit that you have to buy to get the tool for free. So it just depends on your needs, whatever tool works for you. If you're a woodworker or a mechanic or whatnot, you know. You got the Cobalt XTRs, really nice. I like the cases. Look really premium, like, you know, like upscale pretty much. And there's good reviews out there for these tools. $299 for that kit on the bottom. That's 24 volts. That's the old Cobalt. $29.98 for the 60 piece. $29.98 for the 12 piece Linux. And $34.98 for the 7 piece. It's a nice little wholesale set. And $9.98 for the 13 piece screwdriver. 30 piece $11.98, and then 21 piece 45 piece and a 14 piece, so $16.98 a piece, or each one. Basically not a piece. Each kit. $9.98, $19.98. That's a nice box there. I like the rugged part of the outside of the box of the Bosch. $12.98 for that set. So 45 piece. $9.98. $24.98 for that 21 piece. $19.98 for those blades. Like I said, just keep looking around, just keep walking. Like here, that's a great deal. 2 4-amp hours for $99. If you're on the Craftsman platform, you got 2 2-amp hours for $79. Obviously, the $99 is a better deal. You get bigger batteries, and yeah, no sales on these metabos. You got some clearance here on this drill driver. It seems like it's a hammer drill. I believe it's the 778. It's a $129 clearance price. It's a yellow sticker, as you guys see. And if you guys notice that most of these stores, including the competitor store, they are clearancing out these tools. Pretty much the XR, and the hammer drills and stuff like that. They're starting to clearance those out because they're gonna. I don't know if new ones are coming in or they just want to clear out inventory, putting another brand or something like that. But yeah, they are clearancing these out. So that's a DCD 778 with 2 batteries and a charger. So it does have a bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. That's a really nice kit. I was just tempted to get it because it is a hammer drill. I need a hammer drill. I don't have a hammer drill in my arsenal, so that would be a perfect piece to get. I was just thinking about it to get it, or just wait for another sale, or I'll probably just wait for a bigger kit, so that way I can get the impact driver and the drill driver. But yeah, really nice. And that's another hammer drill they got for $159. You can compare the prices. Maybe that's the newer version of that. So you're getting a few bucks off there, $30 off. And that's the empty shell for the impact driver for $129. So I guess that's the comparison to the impact driver that they didn't have any left. So yeah, impact drivers are the first thing that go. $179 for that hammer drill. It's a really nice kit. $119. $89 for that screw gun. Then $99 for the impact driver. Yeah, I was just looking at that screw gun there. $119. Yeah, just gotta, like I said, just gotta look at different stuff that they have. This is a 12 volts. If you guys don't know what these are the 12 volts. Basically, this compact tools, smaller tools. Yeah, still really nice, but I prefer the 18 volts. It's just more power, and they're fairly compact too. And like I said, all the brands are running their sales, so they got some deals here for the Cobalt 24. For $99, we got all these brushless tools, and then we got Craftsman. So Craftsman is running their deals too. Just gotta look for them. Look for those yellow tags. It's a nice $14.98 for that 3-piece. And yeah, there's a yellow tag right there. So seems like it's an impact driver. It's a brushless impact driver for $89. So that's definitely a great deal if you want to get into the Craftsman platform there. Great tools. And then yeah, the table saws. I like that DeWalt. $3.99 DeWalt. That's a compact. But yeah, this one's on sale. It's $3.49. It's not in all the lobes, by the way, only in some of them. It's a really nice set. It comes with the stand and the wheels and everything. That's a great deal there. It's like, I believe regular price is like $3.99 or no, $4.99 is the regular price on this one. So really nice. You can see how smooth that is. It is very comparable to the DeWalt. It's almost the same thing basically. If you see it side by side, looks just like it. So if you guys are on the lookout for something like this, check it out. I'm in the Phoenix area. If you guys need to know which store this is, I can let you guys know what store. If you guys are in the Phoenix area and you guys want to come and pick that up, let me know. Or any of these tools, I can let you know what store is this. So yeah, and this Easter egg here, we pretty much something hiding in this you got Eagle. Yeah, so Eagle is coming to Love's. And pretty much this is the only Eagle product that I found at the whole store basically. I even looked at the garden section. There's no Eagle there still. So that's an indication that's coming. Buy one, get one free. So you buy any of those tools and you get a 2-amp hour for free. $29 value. Still a great deal. A lot of these tools are $99. Some of them are $79. So you just gotta, like that one's $99. It is an impact wrench. So definitely worth it. $119 for the jigsaw. And yeah, this $29.98 100 piece. I believe it was on Christmas. It was $14. I got it for $14.98. Let me tell you, that thing is great. It comes with all these security bits, all these bits that you never find anywhere else, and it's hard to find. Just buy that kit and get it over with. You know, you have it basically there. $129 Craftsman. That's a cooler. It's pretty much like similar to a Yeti or something like that. So, but it is real small though. It's kind of small. It's mostly for the job sites. You know, for one or two people crew or something like that. $39.98. Yeah, you just gotta look at everywhere. You never know what you could find, you know. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.